The correlation between page speed and rankings. How many times have you searched for something on Google, clicked a result, and then had to wait ages for the page to load? I'm pretty sure you just raised your hand. Waiting ages for a page to load isn't fun at all. 9 times out of 10, we all end up getting really bored and going back to the search results to find another website. Google's view on page speed is exactly the same. Google doesn't want slow loading websites on page 1 as it results in a poor user experience. Which, if you think about it, makes complete sense. If everyone using Google has to constantly wait ages to get information, then eventually people end up going elsewhere and using another search engine, such as Bing, for example. If everyone did that, then less people would spend money on running Google ads, as why bother when the majority of people are using another search engine? Google needs to ensure everyone has a great user experience when using their platform, as it's in their best interests. One of the things that can cause a bad user experience is slow websites. As a result, Google has been tackling this for a while now. Site speed has been a direct ranking factor since 2010. Google has also confirmed this in the Webmaster's Central blog. The general rule of thumb is that websites should load within 3 seconds. If your site takes longer to load than 3 seconds, then it can have a negative impact on your rankings. This is why it's super important to ensure you have a fast loading website. In the next video, I'll show you how you can test your website speed to figure out if you are above or below that 3-second figure.